Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have VICTONY with a song called My Darling. Very, very easy song here. If you can handle bar chords, and we have only 3 chords going in the same way through entire song. So let's dive into this one. Since it's only bar chords here, we don't need any capo for this. Alright, so we will have the following 3 chords: D sharp minor, A sharp minor, and G sharp minor. Starting with the D sharp minor here, you have a bar on the 6th fret here, and you bar all strings except from the last T here in the bass. All right, so 5 strings there, and then the rest will be positioned 8 on the D string, 8 on G, and 7th on the B string. That's the D sharp minor. All right, let's move on to the next chord, the A sharp minor. You stay here on the 6th fret with the bar, but now you bar all strings. All right, and then the rest will be 8 on A string and 8 on the D. All right, so that was the A sharp minor. And then you take the exact same grip here and just move it 2 frets away from you to this position. So you land with the bar finger now on the 4th fret. All right, and you bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. And there you have your G sharp minor. So that's the chord progression here. The round you need to go is D sharp, A sharp, and G sharp, like this. All right, so let's just learn the strumming pattern. It's typical for this type of songs. So if you have the D sharp minor ready here, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, down. Perhaps I said up there and then it's down, up, clap, down, up. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. All right, so 2 rounds on the D sharp minor, 1 round on the A sharp minor, and 1 round on the G sharp minor. That's what's going on. So a couple rounds of this will be and so on. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.